Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jaron Aquinay. And today will be a quick tour on my collection. As requested, one of our subscribers. uh, and here are Jaden for the social commentary regarding my collection. Without further ado, let's get into it. First is the Airsoft Pistol collections, several model of Glock 17, 34, 19, and I forgot the other one, Canik, Assisi Shadow, several High Kappas, 1911, 2 pieces, a Beretta, my Tokimori Black, another, what is this one? Airsoft MP5K, some for repair, some other items, my trash can of a table here for repair, and the Jinming, not the Jinming, not the MP5, that I recently fixed. No, demoed. Several Bohans, MP5 Saima, 30 Sedekai, the MP9, I forgot what model is that one. Various models for designing. My scar mask. No, not scar. What's this one? Dye mask. That's very small space here. Another Saima. Multiple gel blasters. Springer that I haven't fixed yet. Scar no, it's Scar, so there's a Scar L here, P90s, M249, my, what do you call that one? Let's see, I don't have a SIG yet. Another G36, M4 system, what is that one? G system, my collection of tokusatsu masks, several ARPs, the Storm, more items here, more guns here, several airsoft ones still for repair, and more junk. Let me try to and last but not the least, the cream of the crop, the expensive ones, or my other collections that I keep in a nice container. See, my not P90, the F90, the AR-50 Metal Gear version, my Sijun Stair Og, and the other one, and several accessories. And that's basically it. I have no more space. See? No more space. It's all junk. And the table that's usually not dirty. Worse. See? Worse. Ugu. Still for fixing and stuff. Anywho, and that concludes a small tour of my office. And if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, then put it down in the comment section down below. And I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang muli. Paalam! 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 Bye-bye!